So today's class, student, we will learn how a inputted number can be known as even or odd. It means I will input a number and I want to find out whether it is an even number or odd number. Okay. So for doing that, I need to know that for finding division, what are the symbols I need in C++? In C++, I required slash sign, SLASH slash sign for finding quotient, and for modulus sign, the symbol name is modulus, and this is required to find out remainder in division. So for division, we need two symbols, one is slash and one is modulus. Slash sign, the purpose is what? Now it will give you quotient value, and modulus sign, the purpose is what? Now it will give you remainder value after division. Fine, students. So for finding even number and odd number, our logic is saying that if the number is divisible by 2, then it's an even number, and if it is not divisible by 2, then it's an odd number. It means if the remainder of the division is 0, then it is even number. If the remainder of the number is 1, non-zero, that is odd number. So this is what the concept is. So let's go to the editor and check how we can do it. The question you remember. Now we can go to the editor. So in editor, how many variables we require? In program, how many variables we require, students? One variable we will take to input the number, and another variable we will take another variable which will keep the result of this modulus, so that result we can compare later whether it is 0 or 1. If it is 0, then it is even number. If it is 1, then it is odd number. Okay, let's go to the editor and check. So this is what your editor, this is the link for that. So now let me declare two variables. One is n and one I am taking as reminder, that is r, because I need to check the remainder where if it is 0 or 1. So that because of I need to find out the remainder as well. So I took r for that. Fine. Now let input the number. As I told, when we input any number, we have to take enter any number. We have to give a statement like enter any number, semicolon. Thereafter C in n. So n has to be inputted from outside. N has to be inputted from keyboard. N has to be inputted from user. So user has to provide n. After that, we will find out remainder. So how? Remainder equal to n modulus 2. So if I did r equal to n modulus 2, it means what will happen? Now the n, whatever you have inputted, will get divided by 2, and the remainder of that number, remainder of that division will get stored in r variable, will get stored in the variable r. Fine, students. Now let's check if the remainder is 0 or 1. So how we can check it? Now if r equal to is the comparison operator. In this case we cannot use single equal to. Okay, I will explain it, just wait. So equal to what? 0. If it is equal to 0, the first statement will be what, students? N is an even number. Fine. Otherwise, else case, what will happen? Now see out, n is an odd number. So this is how we can know whether the number is even number or odd number. So let's compile and see the result. I run the program, it is compiling, and the result we will see in the screen. You check, all of you. So it is asking to input a number. In this case I provide 45 and pressing enter. So what it is showing? 45 is an odd number. Okay. Okay. Let's check another input by giving an even number. Let's check whether it is doing perfect or not. So I'm providing a small number, that is 6. So 6 is an even number. Is it printing nicely? Yes. So now let's understand this concept. What this does mean? Why we are using here equal sign and why we are using here double equal sign. Okay, let's go to editor. Here we can understand what is the difference between equal sign and double equal sign. If I am writing, students, if I am writing if n equal to 2, it means what I mean to say, if n equal to 2, I want to compare whether the value of n is 2 or not. But if I am writing if n equal to 2, it means I am assigning the value 2 in n. I am assigning the value of n 2 in n. So if I am comparing, I have to write double equal sign. Fine. So let me give you one example, simple example. Age equal to 18 or 17 and age equal to 17. So the difference between these two is what? In this case 17 is getting stored in the variable age, but in this case the 17 is getting compared with age whether it is 17 or not. See, age is a variable, it will have a value before, so that value will get compared with 17 whether it is similar or not. Okay, so in this case we can say it as a comparison operator. We can check it as a comparison operator. Which one? This equal sign is comparison operator, and in this case we can say it as a assignment operator. This is an operator, na? This equal sign is an operator, double equal is an operator, this is also is an operator. Which operator? Na modulus operator. This also is an operator. Which operator? Na slash operator. Okay, so these are operator. So in this case what it is doing? Now it is assigning 17 in the variable age, but in this case what it is doing? Now it is checking whether the value of age is getting similar with 17 or not. So in this case it is checking whether age is 17 or not. So there will be a true answer, otherwise false answer. So here in this case what it is doing? Now it is comparing whether the remainder, r is remainder we took here, r the remainder is 0 or not. If it is 0, then it is printing as even number. If it is non-zero like 1, then it is printing it as an odd number. Okay students, suppose you will have doubt why I am writing 0 here. Can I write 1 here? Yes, I can write 1 here. If I am writing 1, it means I am asking whether the remainder is 1 or not. If it is 1, the first one is true. If it is 1, then it will become odd number, and if it is 0, then it will become even number. Understood? The statement get changed now. So check now, this also will work fine. So check, it is compiling now. So putting here 5 as the input. So check now, it is an odd number. Okay, so 55 it's printing because 5 before I gave, so it's an odd number. Same way check even number also, providing 12. So 12 is an even number it is printing. So it does not matter if you are writing r equal to 1 or you are writing r equal to 0. It totally depends on you students. Only thing, you have to find out the remainder first. That remainder I stored in n. If you divide a number by 2, the remainder either become 0 or become 1. So if you are checking with 1, first one will be odd, second one will be even. If you are checking here 0, you are writing here 0, then first will be even and second will be odd. Hope all of you understood the concept of how we can find out even and odd in a given number, in an inputted number.